Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started. In this video, we break down the top 5 best Subaru oil filter you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Subaru oil filter on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best Subaru oil filter are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5.
Our number one choice is Subaru engine oil filter. The Subaru engine oil filter is a high-quality, OEM-approved filter designed to keep your Subaru engine running smoothly. Engineered to meet Subaru's strict standards, this oil filter provides excellent filtration and ensures that your engine's oil remains clean and free of contaminants. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or a DIY oil change, the Subaru engine oil filter is a reliable and essential component to maintaining optimal engine performance. Made from durable materials, the filter is built to withstand the high pressures of modern engines, offering long-lasting performance. The filter is engineered to handle high flow rates, ensuring that oil can pass through quickly while still providing superior filtration. This is essential for maintaining engine efficiency, especially in high-performance or heavy-duty driving conditions. The Subaru engine oil filter performs flawlessly, offering excellent filtration capabilities and helping to ensure that the engine oil remains clean and free of harmful debris. During testing, the filter worked as expected, trapping contaminants and maintaining optimal oil flow to protect the engine's internal components. The Subaru engine oil filter is a top-notch, OEM-quality filter that provides excellent filtration and engine protection. Its durable construction and perfect fit make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain their Subaru's engine health and performance. While it may be a bit pricier than aftermarket options, the quality and reliability of this filter make it well worth the investment.
Our second best Subaru oil filter is Subaru Engine Oil Filter Genuine OEM. The Subaru Engine Oil Filter Genuine OEM is the perfect choice for Subaru owners who want the best for their vehicle's engine. As an original equipment manufacturer, OEM part, it's designed to meet Subaru's exact standards and specifications, ensuring that your engine stays protected and runs smoothly. This oil filter delivers excellent filtration performance and long-lasting reliability, making it an essential component for maintaining your Subaru. This oil filter is a genuine Subaru part, designed specifically for Subaru engines. It ensures that all components meet Subaru's rigorous quality standards, offering the best performance and reliability. The Subaru OEM oil filter effectively traps contaminants such as dirt, debris, and metal particles, preventing them from circulating in the engine oil. This helps to maintain the cleanliness of your engine and prevent premature wear. The Subaru Engine Oil Filter Genuine OEM performs exceptionally well, providing excellent filtration and ensuring that your engine oil remains clean and free of contaminants. During testing, the filter kept the oil flow consistent and smooth, effectively trapping harmful debris without restricting oil circulation. The Subaru Engine Oil Filter Genuine OEM is a reliable and high-performance filter that guarantees your Subaru engine stays well protected. Its superior filtration, durable construction, and perfect fit make it a top choice for Subaru owners looking to maintain their vehicle in peak condition. Number 3 in our list is Subaru Engine Oil Filter Genuine Legacy. The Subaru Engine Oil Filter Genuine Legacy is a high-quality, OEM-approved filter designed specifically for Subaru Legacy vehicles. This filter is engineered to meet Subaru's exacting standards, ensuring optimal engine protection and smooth performance. If you're looking for a reliable filter that keeps your engine oil clean and protects your engine from contaminants, The Subaru Genuine Legacy Oil Filter is the perfect choice. The Subaru Genuine Legacy Oil Filter efficiently captures dirt, debris, and contaminants from the oil, helping to keep the engine oil clean and extend the life of your engine. Made with high-quality materials, this oil filter is built to withstand the high pressure and high temperature environments of modern Subaru engines. It offers long-lasting durability throughout the entire oil change interval. The Subaru Engine Oil Filter. Genuine Legacy delivers excellent performance, providing superior filtration and ensuring that your engine remains protected. The filter efficiently removes contaminants from the oil, ensuring that only clean oil circulates through your engine. During installation, the filter fits perfectly without any issues. Once installed, it continues to perform reliably, helping to maintain smooth engine operation and contributing to the overall health of the engine. Fourth recommendation on our side is Subaru Oil Filter BRZ and Scion FR-S. The Subaru Oil Filter for BRZ and Scion FR-S is an excellent choice for those looking to maintain their engine's performance and longevity. With its superior filtration capabilities, perfect fit, and durable construction, it ensures optimal engine protection for these performance-focused vehicles. While it may be more expensive than aftermarket filters, the peace of mind and reliability of using a genuine Subaru part make it worth the investment. The Subaru Oil Filter for 2013 to 2020 BRZ and Scion FR-S offers outstanding filtration and protection for the engine. It traps contaminants effectively, ensuring that only clean oil circulates through the engine, which helps to maintain smooth operation and prolong engine life. The Subaru Oil Filter for 2013 to 2020 BRZ and Scion FR-S is a high-performance, genuine OEM part specifically designed for Subaru BRZ and Scion FR-S models. This oil filter is engineered to meet the stringent quality standards set by Subaru, ensuring superior protection for your engine and helping to maintain optimal engine performance over time. Last in our top 5 best Subaru oil filter list is Genuine Subaru Oil Filter. The Genuine Subaru Oil Filter is a high-quality, OEM-approved filter designed to provide optimal protection for your Subaru engine. Engineered specifically for Subaru vehicles, this filter ensures that your engine oil stays clean, promoting smooth engine performance and preventing premature wear. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or need a replacement part, this oil filter is a trusted choice for Subaru owners who want reliable performance and long-term engine protection. The Genuine Subaru Oil Filter is an original equipment manufacturer OEM part, which means it is built to Subaru's exacting standards for quality, durability, and performance. As a result, you can trust that it will meet or exceed the requirements of your Subaru vehicle. This oil filter features advanced filtration technology, which efficiently removes dirt, debris, and other contaminants from the engine oil. By maintaining clean oil, it ensures that your engine operates smoothly and efficiently, extending its lifespan and improving overall performance. The Genuine Subaru Oil Filter consistently delivers excellent performance, providing superior filtration and keeping engine oil clean. During installation, it fit perfectly and worked as expected throughout the oil change interval. It effectively traps dirt and debris, ensuring that the engine oil remains free of contaminants. The filter's durable construction withstood the pressures and demands of the Subaru engine, ensuring smooth operation and peace of mind.